What's up? This is Amanda from AK Cycles, and this is a 2019 Ninja 650 with an XK Glow light kit on it. So to turn it on, there's a little switch right here, on, off. And if you look here, you connect it by finding the controller in this list here. I already have it paired. Now, zones 3 and 4 on my controller are what is being controlled right now. So let's say I want to go white, and instead of breathing, I want it to be solid. So you just control it right through the app there. And then there are other cool things you can do with this app as well. So let's say you want to do a theme. You can do different lights with that. Music. So if you see, the lights are actually changing depending on my voice. Woo! Woo! Alright, you can do motion too, so that's kind of a cool one. So the other cool thing that you can do with this is when you turn the key on and when you hit the brake, the whole bike becomes a brake light. Front and back brakes. And then make sure you turn this off by this switch.